Legal initiative launched to halt factory farming in United Kingdom. UK-based nonprofit Humane Being, run by dedicated volunteers, recently commenced the Scrap Factory Farming campaign to raise public awareness and legally pressure the government to stop intensive animal livestock raising. The veganism promoting group cites the harmful operation as a major source of greenhouse gas emissions, zoonotic outbreaks, deforestation, animal cruelty, and antibiotic resistance. In a letter, Humane Being asks the Right Honourable George Eustice, the UK Secretary of State for Environment, Food and Rural Affairs, whether the government has considered the risks and whether it plans to ban the intensive livestock industry or remove subsidies for it. Humane Being is also preparing for a possible court case, crowdfunding the work of their powerful legal team, which includes prominent British human rights lawyer and vegetarian Michael Mansfield. Humane Being's founder and director, Jane Tredgett, and campaign spokesperson, David Finney, spoke with Supreme Master Television.
When we first started, we were focusing on a particular clause in the Animal Welfare Act that we thought was being breached. We knew there was environmental impacts coming from the industry. More research led us to realise the health issues were just as alarming. So our legal team said this is going to be much stronger if we present all three.
So at the moment we're waiting for the Secretary of State for EFRA to come back to us with an answer. Once they come back, if they come back and said we're going to review all factory farming, then that might be the end of where we need to go. But if they come back and say something very different to that, we have to take another approach to going back and communicating with them. We've just literally got to take each step as it comes and take guidance from our fantastic legal team as to what we do.
Our gratitude and best wishes for your success, David Finney, Jane Tredgett, Humane Being, and all involved in the Scrap Factory Farming campaign. May all governments take urgent actions to end animal suffering and thus build a sustainable vegan future in God's mercy.
To find out more about Humane Being's Scrap Factory Farming campaign, please tune in to Veganism, the noble way of living at a later date.